Earth. A place where nature blurred the lines between reality and imagination. From the towering peaks of ancient mountains to the endless depths of the darkest oceans, every corner tells a story of wonder and survival. So come, embark on a journey through vast deserts, deep oceans, and mysterious forests. We discover places that make our world magical and unique. Sigiriya, also known as Lion Rock, is a breathtaking ancient rock fortress and palace ruin in Sri Lanka. The summit's ruins, adorned with ancient frescoes, and the symmetrical water gardens at the base create a blend of natural majesty and architectural wonder. Socotra Island, often described as the most alien-looking place on Earth, is home to surreal flora and fauna, such as the umbrella-shaped dragon's blood tree. Its isolation has created a unique ecosystem, with 1/3 of its plant life found nowhere else in the world. The stark landscapes, bizarre trees, and coral-filled waters make Socotra a living fantasy island that seems like it belongs to another world. Salar de Uyuni, located in Bolivia, is the world's largest salt flat, stretching over 10,000 square kilometers of blindingly white, mirror-like terrain. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water transforms the flats into a colossal natural mirror, reflecting the sky and creating an infinite, surreal horizon. This otherworldly landscape, often called the world's largest mirror, is a photographer's dream and a profound testament to nature's artistry. The Great Blue Hole is a massive underwater sinkhole off the coast of Belize. From above, the contrast between the deep blue of the hole and the surrounding shallow waters creates a surreal appearance. Diving into the hole reveals a world of limestone formations and marine life, making it a mysterious and captivating natural wonder. Pamukkale, meaning Cotton Castle in Turkish, is a surreal natural wonder, featuring terraces of white travertine pools cascading down a hillside. The shimmering blue, mineral-rich waters, against the stark white limestone, create an ethereal, dreamlike scene. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its thermal pools and nearby ancient ruins, is both a natural and historical marvel, offering a truly otherworldly experience. Antelope Canyon is a mesmerizing slot canyon in Arizona, carved by millennia of water and wind into flowing sandstone formations. The canyon's narrow passages glow with shifting hues of orange, red, and purple as sunlight filters through, creating a surreal interplay of light and shadow. This natural cathedral of spiraling rock is a testament to the beauty of nature. The Meteora monasteries rise dramatically atop towering sandstone pillars in central Greece, seemingly suspended between earth and sky. These ancient monasteries, built by monks seeking spiritual seclusion, create a surreal spectacle of human architecture in harmony with nature. The panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and cliffs, combined with the sense of history and devotion, evoke a dreamlike and mystical ambience. Lençóis Maranhenses National Park in Brazil is a vast expanse of dazzling white dunes that stretch as far as the eye can see. During the rainy season, the dunes transform into an extraordinary sight as crystal-clear lagoons form between them, creating a surreal and ephemeral paradise. This magical juxtaposition of arid sands and sparkling water bodies challenges traditional notions of a desert, offering a dreamlike, otherworldly experience. Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone National Park, USA, is the largest hot spring in the country and a vibrant natural wonder. Its striking rainbow-like colors caused by heat-loving microorganisms create a surreal kaleidoscope set against the stark geothermal landscape. The contrast between the vivid hues, steaming waters, and surrounding rugged terrain makes it an unforgettable, otherworldly spectacle. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are a celestial dance of vibrant colors in the polar skies, caused by charged particles colliding with Earth's atmosphere. This ethereal phenomenon paints the heavens with hues of green, pink, and violet, creating a surreal spectacle that feels like nature's own light show. Waves of shimmering light ripple across the night sky, transforming the Arctic darkness into a mesmerizing and otherworldly canvas. Victoria Falls, on the border of Zimbabwe and Zambia, is one of the largest and most famous waterfalls on Earth. Known as Mosi Oa Tunya, or the smoke that thunders, its cascading water creates a deafening roar and mist that's visible for miles. The Zambezi River plunging into the gorge, with rainbows dancing in the mist, creates a surreal and humbling spectacle of nature's raw beauty. The Amazon rainforest, spanning across South America, is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Its dense canopy, exotic wildlife, and winding rivers create a mystical atmosphere. The constant hum of life adds to the primeval energy of this vast, untamed wilderness. Petra, the ancient rose-red city carved into sandstone cliffs, is a breathtaking wonder of southern Jordan. The iconic treasury and intricate tombs emerge from the rock, glowing with hues of gold and crimson under shifting sunlight. This surreal blend of history and natural beauty makes Petra a timeless marvel. Cappadocia is a fantastical landscape of fairy chimneys, ancient cave dwellings, and rock-cut churches. The dreamlike landscape, shaped by centuries of erosion and human ingenuity, becomes even more enchanting as colorful hot air balloons float across the sky at sunrise, creating a surreal and magical atmosphere. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in China is renowned for its towering sandstone pillars. These natural spires inspired the floating Hallelujah Mountains in the movie Avatar. The ethereal combination of lush greenery, vertical cliffs, and drifting mist creates a surreal, almost dreamlike atmosphere, transporting visitors to another world. Varanasi, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, is a spiritual and cultural epicenter along the sacred Ganga River. The sight of pilgrims performing rituals at the Ghats, with the glow of countless lamps and the sound of chanting, creates an atmosphere both mystical and timeless. Its ancient temples and the ethereal Ganga Aarti make Varanasi a surreal blend of devotion and history. The Phi Phi Islands, located in Thailand, are renowned for their breathtaking beaches, crystal clear waters, and striking cliffs. These islands gained worldwide fame after being showcased in the movie The Beach. Maya Bay, encircled by towering limestone hills and featuring 2 golden beaches, is especially captivating, providing a paradisiacal escape into tropical splendor. The Waitomo glowworm caves in New Zealand are a magical underground world illuminated by thousands of bioluminescent glowworms. As you drift through the dark, the soft blue glow of the worms creates an ethereal atmosphere, making it feel as though you've entered a starry sky beneath the earth. The Chocolate Hills in Bohol, Philippines, are a surreal landscape of over 1,200 nearly symmetrical limestone mounds. During the dry season, their grass covering turns a rich brown, giving the hills their chocolate-like appearance and an otherworldly charm. This natural wonder, steeped in local legends and myths, creates a mesmerizing and unique spectacle, blending nature's artistry with cultural mystique. Mount Bromo, located in East Java, Indonesia, is an active volcano surrounded by a vast sea of sand. The site of the smoldering crater, with its billowing smoke and eerie atmosphere, is otherworldly, especially when framed by the dramatic landscape. The towering volcano amidst the desolate Tengger caldera evokes a sense of ancient power and beauty. The Racetrack Playa in Death Valley National Park is known for its moving rocks. The sailing stones slide across the flat, dry mud surface, leaving trails behind. Without human or animal intervention, the mysterious moving stones, set against a stark and dry lakebed, create a compelling and surreal natural mystery. The Avenue of the Baobabs is a breathtaking landscape in Madagascar, home to towering baobab trees. These ancient giants, some reaching up to 800 years old, create a surreal and majestic scene, especially during sunrise or sunset, when their silhouettes stretch across the dirt road, casting long shadows. This remarkable avenue stands as a natural monument to the enduring beauty of nature. Studlagil Canyon is a hidden gem in Iceland, known for its striking basalt column formations and crystal-clear turquoise waters. The towering columns formed by volcanic activity create a dramatic contrast against the vibrant blue river, making it a surreal and almost mystical scene. The canyon's remote location and stunning beauty make it a perfect blend of nature's raw power and artistry. Nestled among the mist-covered peaks of the Andes, Machu Picchu stands as a testament to the ingenuity and mystery of the Inca Empire. Its flawlessly crafted stone structures, built without mortar, and precise alignment with astronomical events reflect the profound wisdom of its creators. Abandoned and reclaimed by nature, this mystical city offers a hauntingly beautiful glimpse into a civilization that has vanished, yet remains unforgettable. Tumpak Sewu, often called the Thousand Waterfalls, is a breathtaking tiered waterfall in East Java, Indonesia. Nestled in a lush valley and surrounded by towering cliffs, the cascade's sheer size and symmetry create a surreal and awe-inspiring sight. The mist rising from the falls, combined with the vibrant greenery, forms a magical, almost dreamlike atmosphere that feels like stepping into a hidden paradise. Troll Tonga, also known as the Troll's Tongue, is a stunning rock formation that rises 700 meters above Norway's Ringedalsvatnet Lake. This precarious cliff provides breathtaking views, offering a surreal experience for those daring enough to reach its edge. The dramatic landscape and the challenging journey to reach Troll Tonga only enhance the sense of awe and otherworldliness. Sovagsvatn, also called Lake Leitisvatn, is the largest lake in the Faroe Islands. The lake's optical illusion, making it seem to hover above the ocean, creates a surreal and breathtaking view. Encircled by steep cliffs and dramatic waterfalls, the lake's serene yet otherworldly beauty makes it a captivating destination. Vinnekunka, or Rainbow Mountain, captivates with its vibrant striations of colors, formed by mineral deposits, standing in striking contrast to the clear, high-altitude sky. This geological wonder has come to symbolize Peru's natural splendor, with its multicolored slopes creating a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. Trekking up the mountain unveils a terrain that seems as though it were painted by divine hands, offering a surreal sight that leaves visitors in awe of its vivid hues and majestic grandeur. Ladakh, often called the Land of High Passes, is a remote region in northern India, known for its stark beauty and rich Buddhist culture. The surreal landscape features barren, rugged mountains, pristine lakes like Pangong Tso, and vibrant prayer flags fluttering in the wind. It's a place where spirituality and nature come together in perfect harmony. The underwater waterfall in Mauritius is a natural phenomenon that creates the illusion of a waterfall flowing beneath the ocean's surface. This optical illusion is caused by the movement of sand and silt from the shallow lagoon, creating a surreal cascade effect that appears to flow into the depths of the ocean. The vibrant turquoise waters, combined with the illusion of a waterfall beneath, create an otherworldly and mesmerizing landscape, making this one of the most unique sights on Earth. Reynisfjara Beach in Iceland is renowned for its striking black sand, towering basalt columns, and powerful waves. The dramatic contrast between the dark beach, the crashing white waves, and the geometric columns creates a surreal, almost otherworldly scene. The beach's beauty is both captivating and intimidating, showcasing the raw power and artistry of nature. The Benagil Sea Cave, accessible only by water, is a stunning natural grotto that hides a secluded beach. Sunlight streams through the open ceiling, casting a surreal play of light and shadow across the cave's interior. Swimming or boating into this hidden spot feels like discovering a secret world. The Namib Desert, renowned for its towering dunes and stark beauty, is among the oldest deserts on Earth. Within it lies the surreal Dead Vlaai, a clay pan where the skeletal remains of ancient trees stand against the vivid backdrop of towering red dunes. This otherworldly scene, reminiscent of a Martian landscape, showcases the desert's ever-shifting colors and forms, making it a paradise for photographers and adventurers alike. Hawa Mahal, or the Palace of Winds, is an iconic pink sandstone structure in the heart of Jaipur, India. Its intricate latticework and 953 small windows, designed to allow royal women to observe street life unseen, create a surreal blend of architectural artistry and cultural tradition. At sunrise, the palace glows with a golden hue, casting an enchanting spell that evokes the grandeur and mystery of Rajasthan's royal past. The Dead Sea, the lowest point on Earth, presents an eerie landscape filled with salt formations, mineral-rich mud, and exceptionally buoyant waters. This hypersaline environment, where life struggles to survive, creates a surreal setting with crystallized salt shores and calm waters that mirror the sky, offering a unique, almost Martian landscape. Spotted Lake, located in British Columbia, Canada, is a unique body of water. Its surface is dotted with vibrant circular pools, varying in color from bright green to deep blue, depending on the mineral content. The lake's appearance changes with the seasons, creating a mystical, otherworldly landscape. Diamond Beach is a stretch of black sand beach in Iceland, famous for icebergs that wash ashore from the nearby Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. The contrast between the sparkling ice chunks and dark volcanic sand creates a stunning, otherworldly landscape, especially in the soft glow of Arctic light. The icebergs, resembling diamonds scattered across the beach, add a magical touch to this icy paradise. The Moeraki Boulders are massive spherical stones scattered across a beach on the Otago coast of New Zealand. These naturally formed, nearly perfect round boulders resemble giant marbles left behind by giants. While the scientific explanation points to calcite concretions that formed millions of years ago, their strange and orderly arrangement creates a surreal, mysterious atmosphere on the beach. Valle de las Animas, or Valley of Souls, is a hauntingly beautiful canyon located in the Atacama Desert of Chile. The valley is known for its towering rock formations that resemble human figures, creating an eerie and surreal landscape. As the sun sets, the valley is bathed in a golden light, casting long shadows and intensifying the ghostly atmosphere, making it feel like a place suspended between worlds. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and explore more of our breathtaking content by clicking one of these thumbnails.